rougher. There's far too many of you dying. You see, war is not the answer. For only love can conquer pain. You know we've got to find a way to bring some understanding here today. Mother, what's going wrong with humanity? What's going on with the war and tragedy? Understanding and respect should be the strategy. We need love, no punishment, equality. Talk to me. So you can see what's going on. What's going on? What's going on?
What's your name?
JJ Soul.
From?
I'm from East London and I'm 25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a professional singer. I gave up my full-time city job about a year ago.
What was your city job?
I was a risk and compliance executive.
I think you made the right decision because your voice is great.
Okay. It was a beautiful performance. I could hear all your influences straight away. The soul stuff, the jazz stuff, a bit of hip-hop, all mixed together, and it sounds wicked. Thank you.
The thing is, there's brilliant singers on this show, hundreds of them, and they come out and they sing, and it's really hard to say you don't like it. But then, not a lot of them have got the edge, the thing that makes them a star, and you have that, and it's what Paloma saw, it's what I saw. You're right up my street. You're the kind of person I was looking for, and I hope that Paloma really messes this up.
Paloma hasn't pitched yet.
So I'm somebody who likes to push boundaries, and I'm excited about your capabilities. Like, I've got an open mind. I like to push things in different directions, and I just love to nurture and take you somewhere where maybe is not necessarily a safe place, but an exciting place. So even you're surprised by what you're doing.
She didn't mess it up. Can't project what's going to happen in a year's time, in 2 years' time, in 5 years' time, but we're just talking about this competition and getting you as far as possible in it and getting you singing every week in front of as many people as possible.
I can promise you that as well, that bit, the singing every week.
She's thinking.
This is so hard.
Oh, Paloma.
Honestly, so make him up to
It just feels like since I've left the job, everything has kind of aligned itself perfectly.